Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to fix this problem on your Windows 11 system. So in the first step, from the search bar, open Task Manager and here click on Run New Task. Then select Browse button. Now on the left side, click on this PC and open C drive. Then open Windows folder. After that, search for System32 folder. So double click on it to open it. Then simply search for CMD file, select it and click on open. Once you are here, this will be the path. After that, check this box and click on OK, and this will open a new command prompt window, and simply you need to type these two commands very carefully. Simply follow my screen and hit enter to execute the first command, and then move to the next command. Type in sfc space slash verify file equal to c colon slash windows slash system32 slash iframe.dll and hit enter. Once done, type exit to close the command prompt window. After that, move to the next step. Simply go to search bar and type here cmd, then run as administrator. Now type in sfc space slash scan now and hit enter. This will take some time to complete the process, so wait for it. Once done, close the command prompt window. Now we are going to do the next commands. These two commands are very important to fix this problem. So simply open command prompt window and type in dism space slash online slash cleanup dash image scan health and hit enter. This will also take some time to complete the process, so wait for it. Once done, move to the next command. This will also take some time to complete the process. Once done, finally type exit to close the command prompt window and restart your system. That's it guys, your problem is solved and you're good to go.